English-Bulgarian travel essentials, is there, equals.
Има ли?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, welcome. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly guide to smart language hacks. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for extra practice and freebies. Strap in for Laugh and Learn Bulgarian. Today you'll collect 9 travel superpowers, tiny questions that open big doors. Imagine a talking wallet asking,
Колко струва?
and a very polite door that only opens after you whisper.
Може ли да?
Let's go. Your goal today. In a few minutes, you'll say these like a pro. Repeat after me with a smile. Is there?
Има ли?
May I?
Може ли да?
I need.
Имам нужда от.
Where is?
Къде е?
What is?
Какво е?
How much does cost?
Колко струва?
I would like.
Бих искал.
Can you? Informal, one person.
Можеш ли?
Can you? Formal, polite.
Можете ли?
Mini dialogues. Time to put them into funny, real moments. You jump in as the hero. At the hotel desk. You, is there Wi-Fi here?
Има ли Wi-Fi тук?
The clerk nods like a wise owl. On the tram. You, may I sit here?
Може ли да седна тук?
The seat. I was saving myself for you. In a shop with a heavy backpack. You, I need water.
Имам нужда от вода.
The cashier slides a bottle like a magician. Lost and smiling. You, where is the station?
Къде е гарата?
A passerby points like a human GPS. Museum mystery. You, whisper, what is this?
Какво е това?
Guide. An ancient coffee machine, probably. Market moment. You, how much does this cost?
Колко струва това?
Seller. Not your kidney, good news. Cafe order. You, I would like a tea, please.
Бих искал чай, моля.
The server gifts you a biscuit of destiny. Asking a friend, can you open the window?
Можеш ли да отвориш прозореца?
Breeze. Ta-da. Asking politely at reception, can you help me?
Можете ли да ми помогнете?
Reception smiles, level up unlocked. Pronunciation beats. Clap lightly or tap your desk. Repeat with the rhythm. 2 claps, as there.
Има ли?
3 beats. May I?
Може ли да?
4 steps. I need.
Имам нужда от.
Point and ask. Where is?
Къде е?
Curious tilt. What is?
Какво е?
Wallet wiggle. How much does cost?
Колко струва?
Polite nod. I would like.
Бих искал.
Friendly ask. Can you?
Можеш ли?
Professional tone. Can you?
Можете ли?
Culture tip. Formal or friendly? Use the right vibe and Bulgarians will love you for it. With friends or peers, go informal.
Можеш ли?
With staff or strangers, switch to polite.
Можете ли?
Ordering sounds softer with.
Бих искал.
Instead of a blunt, I want. And when you're unsure if something exists or is available, open with.
Има ли?
It's the traveler's magic phrase. Quiz time. Quick fire. Say it out loud before I reveal the answer. Ask, is there Wi-Fi here? Answer.
Има ли Wi-Fi тук?
Ask politely, may I sit here? Answer.
Може ли да седна тук?
Say, I need help. Answer.
Имам нужда от помощ.
Ask, where is the restroom? Answer.
Къде е тоалетната?
Ask a price. How much does this cost? Answer.
Колко струва това?
Order nicely. I would like a water, please. Answer.
Бих искал вода, моля.
Ask a friend, can you tell me the time? Answer.
Можеш ли да ми кажеш колко е часът?
Ask formally, can you open the door, please? Answer.
Можете ли да отворите вратата, моля?
Curious at a museum. What is this? Answer.
Какво е това?
The 60-second challenge. Ready for a rapid role play? You've got this. 1. Cafe. Order politely. Say, I would like a tea, please.
Бих искал чай, моля.
2. Shop. Check price of a magnet.
Колко струва този магнит?
3. Station. Ask where the metro is.
Къде е метрото?
4. Friend favor. Can you help me?
Можеш ли да ми помогнеш?
5. Permission. May I take a photo?
Може ли да снимам?
6. Availability. Is there a bus to the center?
Има ли автобус до центъра?
7. Curiosity. What is that building?
Какво е онази сграда?
8. Need. I need water.
Имам нужда от вода.
9. Formal help. Can you show me on the map, please?
Можете ли да ми покажете на картата, моля?
Thanks and next steps. Nice work, you leveled up your Bulgarian travel game. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep these 9 phrases fresh by using them daily.
Има ли? Може ли да? Имам нужда от. Къде е? Какво е? Колко струва? Бих искал. Можеш ли? Можете ли?
Practice, smile, and you'll be unstoppable. For more tips, transcripts, and drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.